Hi, my name is Sarah House and I am an undergraduate student at the University of Arkansas at Little Rock. I have created a series of 5 videos to demonstrate how to use the Advanced Search Builder under the Pubchem database website. Being a chemistry student, we have all had to turn to Pubchem several times in our undergraduate careers. However, being unfamiliar with how to maneuver through the website, many of its great features stay unknown to us. In these videos, my goal is to help students and chemistry enthusiasts alike learn more about this great database and everything that it can offer to us. Here is the Pubchem homepage, and as we can see, the website is separated into 3 separate databases. The Pubchem compound database is made of validated chemical information to help describe the substances in the Pubchem substance database. These compounds are identified by the identifier CIDs. The Pubchem Substance Database contains information about sample substances from many sources as well as links to the biological tests available through the Pubchem Bioassay database. These substances are identified by the identifiers SIDs. The Pubchem Bioassay database contains the bioactivity results from test screens of the substances. It contains information about the testing conditions and results for the specific assays. The identifier used for the bioassays are AIDs. We primarily deal with compounds in the undergraduate level, so that is where we will stick to for the remainder of this demonstration. Now over here next to the search area, you will find this link to the Advanced Search page. Let's click it and explore what the Advanced Search Builder has to offer. Over here is the drop-down menu that has all of the different options for refining one's search for a specific compound. And as you can see, there are numerous options to refine with, each option being more helpful to different levels of people in the field of chemistry. Note that over here there are several lines for one to search different things at one time. You can simply search for one compound with a specific refinement from the drop-down menu, or you could add something to the second line to make the search even more refined. In doing so, one would simply type in the compound that they are searching for on the top line with whatever refinement option, then come down to the second line, pull down a refinement option for it, and specify whatever necessary in the second line. There is the feature over here for and, not, and or. In doing this, you could say you want to search for this compound with a refinement and this refinement. When utilizing not feature, you would be searching for your compound with whatever refinement, but not the second refinement. And when using the or refinement, you could be searching for your compound with either the first refinement or the second refinement. Also note that when we type something into the first 2 lines, like so, a third line appears in case you want to add even more refinement to your search. As I noted, as a side note, I would like to go into detail on how the search options for chemistry and most likely other field databases differ from search engines like that of Google or Yahoo. For example, if you try to Google a question that you are searching for, such as, "What is the molecular weight of hydrogen?" it will be able to generate a correct response. However, if you typed that phrase into Pubchem, you would not get the response that you are after. This is because search engines such as Google and Yahoo will be able to interpret what you are asking for and return the specific information back to you because they use an algorithm called natural language processing. This is an algorithm that has been developed so search engines can understand basic human language. In most databases like Pubchem, they do not use the algorithm to interpret a user query. Instead, the user needs to be specific in what he or she wants to find in a specific predefined manner. For example, in Pubchem, the user will need to type a specific query in the field to search for the query specifically, which the Advanced Search Builder helps one do quite well and with ease. Compared to Google, chemistry databases developed and maintained by small research groups or organizations do not have enough resource to implement the natural language processing in their systems. This is due to the fact that scientific databases need to support more complex queries as used by scientists than that what of Google would need to support for the general public. This can often cause a gap between chemistry databases and their users. Because so many people are familiar with other types of search engines like Google, new users often search databases like Pubchem in the same way. Frequently, this will return no satisfactory search results and will not understand how to use the website. It is very important to understand the differences between other search engines and chemistry databases and to also recognize the need to learn how to formulate a query to search the scientific databases. In my next video, I will go into detail on how some of the refinements from the drop-down menus over here mean and explain what they do, and what level of chemistry students would benefit from its use the most. Thanks for watching.